If your computer is experiencing no post issues, it's not the same as having no power problems. In this video, learn the symptoms of no post and what steps to take if your PC is not posting. No post means no power on self-test, and even though your computer can turn on, nothing much else happens after it does. To determine if your system has no post issues, keep an eye out for these clues. The system powers on, but the screen appears blank. The system powers on, but does not progress past the Dell logo screen. The hard drive activity light isn't flickering, or it may be steadily blinking or maintaining a steady constant color. You may hear diagnostic code beeps in a repeating pattern. The power button may be flashing in a repeating pattern. If you observe any of these symptoms, chances are your PC is experiencing no post. The first step is to see if no post is being caused by one of the peripherals. Shut down the computer, disconnect any external peripherals, turn on the computer, and check if it powers on. If the system is able to power on, contact the Dell tech expert through social media on Facebook or Twitter for further assistance. If it didn't power on, then try the next step. Perform a hard reset on your PC. Shut down the computer. Disconnect any peripherals connected to the system. If you own a laptop, remove the battery and unplug the power cord. If you own a desktop, you only need to unplug the power cord. Press the power button for 30 seconds to drain any residual power. With that done, reinsert the battery for the laptop if necessary. Next, turn on your computer and test the keyboard to see if it responds properly. If this didn't work, then go on to the next step. Try resetting the real-time clock on your PC. Please note that not all models have this option available. Turn off the computer, but make sure the system is connected to a power outlet. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. After releasing the power button, the system should restart several times. Once the reset is complete, the system will reboot. The Dell splash screen will indicate that the reset was successful. Now tap the F2 key repeatedly to enter the BIOS. Within BIOS, configure the date, the time, the boot lists, and the SATA operation. After you've completed these configurations, try restarting your PC. If resetting the real-time clock worked, you should still contact the Dell tech support agent and explain to them the situation. If none of the troubleshooting steps in this video were successful, then you need to contact the Dell tech support agent through social media on Facebook or Twitter for further assistance. We have many more other helpful tips and tutorials available on our Tech Support Dell channel, so become a subscriber today. If you like this video, give it a like, and thanks for watching.